I can still hear your laughter, sharp and clear, slicing through the air like a melody. But that was before, wasn't it? Before everything changed. And it did change. Everything. Every damn thing. You left. You promised you wouldn't. And then, you did. Just like that. Do you even know what that did to me? To stand there, watching you walk away, knowing I couldn't stop you. And you had the audacity to say it was for the best. For the best. Ha. For whom exactly? Because it sure as hell wasn't for me. But, I suppose, it doesn't really matter now, does it? Time keeps moving. People fade. The world doesn't stop spinning just because your heart feels like it's been carved out with a dull knife. It should, though. It really should. I wish it would.